You might have to catch a plane for this. You gon' have to say my name for this.
Yeah, what is the deal, YouTube? It's your boy Kicks God back in the building. This is LD Kicks. You already see it. We will be featuring the Nike Air Max 1 Animal Pack. I'm not sure if they refer to these as the Atmos Animal Packs. I know the first ones they were saying were Supreme. That's the ones that released about maybe 2 or 3 years ago with the white right up in here. However, I'm thinking they might be going with Atmos with this particular release, kind of a collaboration between Nike and Atmos. Listen, I don't care. We about to dive right in. So, off the rip, starting from the bottom, you have that gum sole. This is official tissue gum sole bottom. Oh, excuse me. That cereal is coming back on me. Nothing new. You got that waffle design. That's a runner, a Nike runner, is specific to Nike runners. Moving up, you have that typical Air Max 1 midsole. Right up in here, you have that exposed air sole unit, and it is highlighted in mint green, just like the mint green highlighting on the Nike Air in the back. It's not really mint green, but it looks more mint green in the window than it does on the branding on the rear. However, it is what it is. We're going to call it mint green. I'm wearing mint green, y'all. Whatever. Transitioning upward, we have that leopard print. So this was supposed to be a sneaker that, again, because it's the animal pack or jungle pack, if you will, it's supposed to be highlighting several different animals found in, obviously, in African regions. So you have the leopard, you have the tiger, the zebra, and the giraffe. So I think it's dope. I think that the concept and the design behind this sneaker, it was really intriguing. It's a lot going on, and maybe a lot for some of you, but I like the idea behind this. It's probably not a sneaker that I'll be wearing every day, but you'll probably catch me on certain days rocking my animals on my feet. But to wrap this off, you have the red Nike Air on the tongue, the lining of the sneaker, or collar, if you will. It's in basically the same color brown as that's found on the body of the sneaker. Black laces. This sneaker also features a pair of white laces, green laces, and red laces, in addition to the black flat laces that come with the sneaker. Again, the design angle was geared and centered around Air Max Day. This released on or around Air Max Day. I'm not specific with the actual day. However, this was an Air Max Day specialized sneaker. So a lot of Air Max are done around, centered in or on around that time. So you came with a lot of flavors, much like the Sean Wotherspoons. So that's all big Air Max stuff. Definitely like the design and the color choices and the palette choices for this sneaker. Also, it's a Tinker Hatfield design, so it is what it is. That's Air Max 1. He came back for Nike, and they was like, get him out of here. But he lasted and stood the test of time. So shout out to that dude right there. Listen, I ain't much more to give y'all. This is the Air Max Animal Pack Atmos sneaker. Shout out Tinker Hatfield for this release. Of course, this is a Tinker Hatfield design. Shout out Nike, shout out Atmos for this collaboration. What do you think about this sneaker? Is this sneaker in your collection? Are you trying to cop this sneaker? Let me know in the comment section below. It's your boy Kicks God. Follow us on all social media platforms. LD this, LD that. I'm out of here. Peace.
But wait, before we get out of here and that outro rolls, I want to introduce to you the Lifestyles Defined merch store. And you can access that on the website off to the right. There's a link that'll take you right into there. So how this came about is we get a lot of messages from you guys. You want to support, you want to know how to support. And it never really felt right to just straight up take your money, as crazy as that sounds. So what we did here was we went and got a bunch of designs and we put them on shirts, hoodies, and everything else. And now we feel better because when you support us, you get something tangible. You get a piece of the community. And I think this is the way it should be. So I'm very excited about that. And I would love for you guys to head over to the website, check it out, leave a comment below. Let us know how you dig into designs. And of course, thank you. Well, I guess. And the reason we started Lifestyles Defined is because if we weren't on camera arguing about these things, the technologies, the phones, the iPhones, the Androids, the cameras, the games, we'd be on the phone arguing about it. We'd be in each other's houses arguing about it. So why not just put it in front of a camera for everyone to enjoy it the way we do? That's what Lifestyles Defined is all about. We just